They don't care about your car.
Yeah, no.
He made his look so good. Especially with those rims, dude. Oh my gosh. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm on the way to meet up with the guy with the twin turbo Lambo from Sheepy, bro. I don't know if he's running the twin turbo Lambo today because he's going to San Diego, but bro, I got such like, oh, I forgot this thing. Oh, dude, I'm gonna freaking blur this crap out. Or just jet speed limit. But pretty much, dude, he's so chill, bro. I never thought I'd meet like such humble people in this, like with Lambos and stuff. Like usually they're pretty cocky and stuff, the ones I met. But recently, dude, I've been getting super blessed, meeting some dope dudes. All right, I'm gonna have to blur this crap out, but this is such a perfect road right here. Holy, dude, this crap catches speed, bro. Oh my. It's literally a drag strip. What is this road? Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm sorry, I went through here one time like a couple weeks ago. Dude, it's actually such a nice road. I need to get my head mount back on, bro. I don't know, mine like fell apart, I lost pieces, and then, oh, I left mine at American Tire. Fudge. Yeah, I literally left my freaking head mount at the tire shop I was at, so I'm pissed about that. But, and honestly, this car holds corners like decently well if you're on the right mode. You know, like if you're just not if you just gotta like really get the feel of this car before you. I wouldn't recommend taking this in mountains, period. Don't test it either, bro, because it will slip. Once it slips out, bro, it slips. It's gone. The automatic mode's actually the vibe, dude. It's hella dead now. Since summer's around, dude, all the grass is dying, but it's alright, dude. It was so green for so long this year, it's actually crazy. Can you run from you over here? Oh yeah. Sounds so clean. Dude. That was a strange thing I just experienced, bro. My car literally was just cranking the whole time with the check engine light on. So I don't want to be stranded. Dude, cruising with the E63 today. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. But I want to stay with him, so it's just me and him for now. But dude, I'm gonna be honest, dude, my car just literally didn't even start on. I can't believe I'm already having issues with this car. It's crazy. Come on, come on. Dude, I can't have a C63 homie now. I don't have any friends with a C63. M5s, I have like, dude, I have M5s for days, but dude, I didn't know C63s look this freaking good, bro. They're wide. If I had a C63 though, what I would do is I'll do catalyst with the cat bag because I want to make it so juiced, you know what I mean? With M5s, people just go down pipes, but let's see how. Oh, I really wish I had a head mount right now. I'm not trying to drive with one hand. That was super strange that my car didn't crank. It was like, dude, it was, I don't know what's happening, bro. Oh. It's gonna be so windy though if I have the windows open. It's the only thing that sucks. But I'm gonna be honest, guys, I'm hella worried. I don't know if I'm gonna make it all the way through this drive because I really don't want to get stranded. Like I probably won't be turning off my car this whole entire ride. Because I don't know what's going on, dude. Recently it's been like, it has to be because it's getting really freaking hot. It has to be. Dang, dude, there's a lot of traffic today, man. What the heck? This sucks. No, this guy's following me now. Dude, that Mercedes is wide. That crap is wide. What the fudge? I can't even show my phone. That crap is wide. Weird. Why is there so much traffic today, man? It seems like to me like recently, bro, everyone's like been going on vacation or something, dude. Ah, this Lexus, dude. Turn off this laser. Come on, let's go for it. Let's go for it. What, dude? What is this Audi doing? What is this Audi doing? No. Make some room. Dude, I can't believe this is the guy, same guy with the twin turbo Lambo, dude. It's actually crazy. Yo, this looks crazy. Fudge. This car's a fat boy, dude. I need the ACB churn, bro. My phone's like overheating. It literally just stopped recording out of nowhere. I want to verse him, dude. I want to do one pull with him. Just one. That was my dog's toy. Yo, I actually kept up with him. What? Shit, dude. Hell yeah. Now I'm hyped. Now I'm hyped, bro. I'm telling this. Dig, I'm gonna lose no matter what. Yeah. Okay, let's just make that clear. But on a freaking top end, bro. Top end is actually fire on this car. Okay, I feel less insecure because that's a V8. You know, that's a V8 twin turbo. This is a V8 supercharger. Sheesh, bro. The squad is fire. Dude, I honestly cannot believe this is my squad now. Let's go. Hear the turbos on that crap too. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm so happy I got some lit friends, bro. Now I need to be in manual mode to make a wine. Come on, bro. Sheesh, bro. Dude, this car, what? Yo, the tunnel. It's a tunnel. Let's go. I'm rolling down all the freaking windows. This is gonna be perfect. Come on, please do something. Please, gun it. Sheesh. Yo, this car's lit, bro. This car, dude, this freeway always jammed up. They need to fix this layout or something, dude. Oh, I love how they're... They don't care about your car.
Yeah,
That's what helps me right off. Oh, cold start. Clean ass freaking Audi. Yeah, I do use it for fun, dude. This lighting's actually really good. Dude, it looks so clean. Oh my gosh. He made his look so good. Especially with those rims, dude. Oh my gosh.
I used to have a 650.
No, I don't know. We're just chilling. We're just waiting for everyone to leave. I just love this car. See you, bro. Did you buy your Audi? This setup is so clean. Since they're both black, looks so juiced. I need to do a video with this guy, bro, in one day. Racing him or something. Looks so beast. Bro, that Audi already.
It's so low. I would totally buy that car if it had a lift. I mean, that thing doesn't come with a lift.
Met up with the homies at lunch. Dude, I'm gonna wind it up for him because I told him, dude, this car's crazy. Dude, such a nice McLaren. And he has it registered in Montana, of course, dude. I love that. Oh, come on. There's too many cars. Okay, I'm gonna wind it up for him. see it, bro. That's freaking clean ass freaking McLaren, bro. I'm gonna ride with them until we get on the freeway. Dude, this car sounds amazing. I'm gonna hop on the freeway right now. Now I'm gonna dip out.